In this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Warrior Plus if you've made some money promoting affiliate products on the website. So what you need to do is go to the top right hand corner and log into your account. So just click login. It's going to take you to this page here where you can then log into your account. Once you're logged in, you can then go to your username again in the top right hand corner and head over to your Warrior Plus wallet here. So click on that and it will take you to your wallet, where you'll see the total amount you've withdrawn, your pending earnings, and your current balance. Now, if you've earned some money on Warrior Plus, you won't be able to go and withdraw it straight away because it will be in the pending earnings. It will stay there for, I believe, 30 days, just to make sure that nobody refunds anything. When the money goes into the current balance and it's then green here, you'll then be able to withdraw that money if it's over $10, so the minimum withdrawal is $10. So go ahead and click here where it says withdraw funds. It's going to tell you the minimum withdrawal is $10 here. We can just go and choose how much we want to go and withdraw. I'll just withdraw $14 here. It's going to go to my PayPal account, and you can choose if you've got multiple accounts here. You can also add new ones here by clicking on manage your accounts. But once you're happy with all of that, click withdraw funds, click confirm, and that money will then be transferred into your PayPal account within around 24 to 48 hours.